Welcome, fisher folk. I am in a very special place today. So, very small water, and I'm definitely gonna have it all to myself. Look how wild this place is. It is pristine out here, and we're even in the Portland, Oregon area. So, this place is very secret. I think it is very likely that I'm the only person who fishes this water because it is very difficult to get to, especially for the reward, because the size of the fish in here, they're small, or fairly small. I've only been here a couple times, so the goal today is going to be, I'd love to see a 12-inch fish. I'll be happy with the 10-inch fish, but the scenery in here is spectacular, so we're in for a real treat just in terms of the looking around. So yeah, let's go start exploring. When I'm walking in right now, this is some classic Oregon shit. I don't know if you guys can see what the bottom's like. There's not a single rock. It's all one huge sheet of basalt. So dried up lava, and it's all edges. There's nowhere that your feet can land smooth at all. It's like I'm in like ankle deep water, and it's astoundingly difficult. Okay, a little easier right here. 1 inch deep water, I got it. So this is a really funky spot to fish right here, because you can see that big sheet I was working my way down just drops off right along this ledge, and that's like prime trout territory. But the underbrush around here is so thick, so it's just not worth it to me to get up on the bank. It's not even possible over there, and go down and come back up. I'll hit this water from below on the way back up too, but I'm just gonna do it as best I can from above. But part of what makes that so tough is it's just gonna be really difficult not to spook fish. So the way I'm breaking it down, I think my best water is gonna be over there. So I'm gonna fish this first, and then wade in over here and fish that water over there clean. That was pretty cool. So I'm running a dry dropper rig today. You know, this camera usually picks me up. I'm probably shouting too loud. Okay, it looks like we're doing native cutthroat today. Dry dropper rig, so I got a little humpy up top. What an amazing wild fish. Look at that. These small waters like this are a treasure. But yeah, fishing a humpy today. And then right now I've got this fairly small peacock colored thing on, because I think that there should be various blue wing olives and possibly Baetis moving around, and they've got that green look to them a lot of the time. Those are species of mayflies, and the nymphs are what I'm talking about. So the mayfly lives in the river for most of its life, looking like a little ground bug, and then it hatches into what you're more familiar with, the flying guy. That was the best fish yet. Which isn't saying much. Well, at least they don't seem too shy so far. Now the best fish yet. So these are a native species. These are our kind of coastal trout, the rainbows you've been seeing me catch all year so far. So these are cutthroat, you can see by the slashes. The rainbows you've been seeing me catch, those are a little higher up, further east. These are our local trout. Tend to be really aggressive, really rewarding fish. So today is November 3rd. So if you've been following along with my videos or you're a trout fisherman in Oregon, then you know that most trout rivers closed for fishing on November 1st. So this small water is still open, and the reason all those rivers close is to protect spawning salmon from getting fished for and getting their redds, their nests, stepped on. This river is above some natural barricades, so the salmon can't get up here, so there's not that same concern. So the trout fishing stays open year round, but it's only small trout. So that's why you're seeing me out here today, as opposed to some of my usual haunts with bigger fish. This is a great option, and what makes it really good is that it's still close to Portland for me. We're kind of in between a lot of the fishing right now. Like the salmon is kind of over, the winter steelhead hasn't really kicked in yet. There's still Chinook to be had. I might go try and catch some chum salmon, we'll see. But I have a party that I'm hosting tonight, so I didn't have the time to drive 2.5 hours out to the Deschutes. This is much more convenient. So it's a real treasure to have something this beautiful and cool this close to the house. So I'll be back out on the Deschutes again soon, but that's what I'm doing here today. Nice, that was sick. I saw that fish come up from a ways away. Cool. Chili on the fingers. Look at how gorgeous these fish are. Just like little leopards in the river. All those spots. They're loving the dry fly, but they're taking the dropper readily too. So this is awesome. They're happy today. Nice. I hope you guys saw that. Best fish yet. Oh, he's gone. We don't have a net today because I didn't have a clean way to carry it. So we're making do without. I'm on the 3-weight, so my lightest, smallest rod, which is appropriate for these fish. Bonus points if you can name the song in the comments. Okay guys, you gotta check this out. So it's really hard work to get in here, but I like working hard, and a lot of what you're working for is not just the fish. Check this out. We got a lot of waterfalls in Oregon. Got ourselves a nice little natural step ladder to come down here. I'll tell you what though, it is super slippery. Awesome. Difficult spot to fish into right here. Way in under that ledge. Got one though. Free though. These fish tend not to be too picky. Cutthroats famously not picky actually. You can, especially in a place like this, you can get away with a non-drag free drift. In fact, they actually will come take it with it dragging around. They kind of like it oftentimes. Wow, that is just such cool water. Oh, there we go. The big one was in there. Wow, my fly was like, ooh, strong on a 3-weight. Yeah. Oh. Now he's not huge, but this is the kind of fish that you can tell is top quality because look at the shape and size of his head right there. Oh, he almost looks like he's been caught before, but I'm pretty certain no one else fishes here. But yeah, look at the size and shape of his head. That is an alpha male fish head right there. That's a big predator for this river. That is so cool. And we're free. Yeah, I caught that fish up all the way underneath those maples, fly like touching the rocks in there. That is so cool. On the dry fly. Guys, it is a privilege to fish here, even if I don't get any fish in this pool. Oh, they're so aggressive. Okay guys, it's lunchtime and we got some more classic Oregon stuff right here. Oh, it doesn't get better than that. Yeah, I'm gonna sit right here and eat. Okay guys, we're nymphing our way back up now. See if we couldn't find some maybe bigger fish on the nymph. And you know, off to a good start. So we dry fly fished the way down, turned around after that waterfall. Like I said, I gotta be home on the early side. Now we're coming back up. That's a pretty good one. This one's a little better. Nice. Took the leech. Full-grown adult fish. Why is this hook giving me so much trouble? There's no barb on it. Look at that. Gorgeous. Yeah, I didn't catch any fish in here on the way down on the dry fly, so this is all great info right here. This is difficult. Not really much space to play with right here. There we go. That'll catch something, I bet. Or not. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. It's a bigger one for sure. Nice. Oh, come over here. Oh, I can't. My rod's stuck in the trees. Oh. Gorgeous. Oh, free. Just plucked a surprisingly good one out of some nothing water. Well, not exactly nothing, but I'm surprised there was one that big there. Two at once. Two little ones at once. Doo-doo-doo. Guess we'll do the top one first. There we go. Instead of going up the step ladder, I'm gonna see if I can go up this way just for fun. It's gonna be the first step that's gonna be hard. Oh, there's a good hold up there. And right there. Up. Love it. Whew. Love climbing a waterfall when I have a chance. Ooh, baby. They don't get much smaller than this. Look how precocious these fish are. That's how big the fly is. It's like, what, half its body length? Third? The little ones are always hungry. A little bit better one. Beautiful fish, man. You know, I said we were looking for a 12-inch one, but I haven't actually measured any fish. So what is that? It's gonna be about 9, 10. The biggest one we've caught was bigger than that, but oops. But I just eyeballing it, I wouldn't guess that it was a 12, but I guess it could have been. You guys will have seen it. Let me know. Is that a 12-inch fish? All right, guys, we're back to where we started. So fishing's over for the day. Now it's time for the worst part of the day, which is the arduous trek back out of here. It's really a pain in the ass, but I won't show that. All in all, really good day. A lot of spectacular scenery and 2 fish that I haven't fished here a lot, so maybe you can consistently find bigger ones than that, but especially that first trout. But really both of them, 2 fish that are, I would say, are probably trophies for this river system. So that's super awesome. Couldn't really ask for much more than that. And now I'm gonna head home and host a fall party. So have a bunch of friends over, have a good time. So like and subscribe. Subscribing does a lot for me, and I will catch you guys in the next video.